Hi there, this is Bob Burridge, and this is your pep talk on how to take better photographs of your artwork. What prompted this was I'm watching you publish and showing on the website or the internet your paintings in the studio, and the lighting is so bad and the photography is so bad. We're all using the same type of camera. But I just want to give you some suggestions, especially when you want to show your paintings to your customers or to publish it and put it on the website, that kind of thing. But you got to have good photographs. But you guys are doing such lousy lighting and bad stuff on yourselves. Let me give you some hints to how to make your work look a little more professional, especially for your customers, okay? First of all, only photograph the painting. No frames. You've never seen a painting in any of your art books with a frame around it, unless it was an ad for a frame. Just the image, whether it's a paper piece or a canvas. I'm going to show you how to do that too. Make sure you sign it and varnish it. Make sure you get your name on it, okay? Yes, sign it. And simple backgrounds, by the way. I'm seeing this stuff you guys are taking all the paintings you've ever done and stacking them up in your studio. Look how many paintings I haven't sold yet. That's the message, all right? Yeah, we know you're busy. We know you're a painter. But you want to document just the image, just the painting, all right? So what I do for paper pieces in canvases, I just have a black piece of foam board where I cover it with black cotton velvet. So this is a standard thing in my studio. And I just put some tape behind my paintings and I just stick it on that black. Boom, take a picture of it. I send it up to the computers and that's where it gets edited down and cleaned up, you know, the edges. So at least you know where the edge of the painting is. Black cotton velvet is the best. It doesn't shine back into your camera lens. So paper pieces and my canvas pieces, I just put a nail in it and a nail into this foam board and just hang the canvas so that you don't see any tacks or tape. Pretty simple. So you want to photograph just the painting, all right? And again, whether it's the iPad or the iPhone, it works perfect. You can make the image large. Get it as large as you can on the screen. Don't shoot from way in the back of the room. You see this tiny little painting sitting on an easel. Oh my gosh, nobody wants to know if you have an easel or not. I know you want to show it look like an art studio. You're just documenting the painting. All right, now let's go to the next part. This is one of my favorite. But first of all, how do we light it? I do have professional lights. You can all afford it. You can afford this. These are called Pro Studio lights. It's like a big umbrella, really strong lights inside there. And they come with the easels. I get 2 or 3 of them, one on each side of me. Or the latest purchase I just had now, these called nan lights. You can get them anywhere on the internet, of course. These are real professional lights, really bright. You can even adjust the temperature, warm or cool, brighter or softer lighting on these simple little controls. You don't have to go to college to learn how to use this thing. Pretty nice. I have several of these to really light you and also the painting. And I just wanted to mention, yes, light you. If you're going to be in front of the painting, and I want you to photograph yourself in front of the painting, especially if you won an award, you have blue ribbons, or you want to say, I've just completed this painting, I'm so proud of it. Don't put it on the easel. Put it on a piece of black background like this. Stick it up with some tape, you know, and then you stand next to it. Just be proud of it. Now you don't have to be animated. This is what I think is so funny. So many artists go, folks, we see it. We see it. You don't have to point to it. This is not a circus. Well, it is, but it's not a circus. So you don't have to be animated about it. So just simple shot. Also, while you are photographing this painting, and somebody else is doing it for you, have them photograph you working on a painting. People love to see artists working in their studios. It's kind of like a documentary. People just love it. I don't know why. It is fascinating, isn't it? Plenty of lights. I even have a light overhead. The same kind of a box light. It's on a long arm, lighting the top of me. So you have plenty of light all around you. So this is one section of the studio or one section of the living room, wherever. Keep the lights up. Photograph your artwork. Just the artwork. No frames, no glass, but light yourself really well. That's the thing that's so important, that you light yourself really well. There's nothing worse than seeing bad lighting or just your living room lighting or those overhead spotlights. It doesn't work. It creates a ghoulish look on your face. Even lighting, alrighty? So photo yourself working or have someone photograph you working there. These are notes. Customers are always curious about you working, especially if it's on their piece, right? And well, that's all I really wanted to say right now, but I want to get that point across. Light yourself well, light your painting well, and you don't have to be animated all the time. I hope you enjoyed this pep talk. It's going to help you sell your pieces. Take care. I'll see you on the next pep talk.